The distance covered by a moving particle through point O is given by the equation st cubed minus 15t squared plus 63t minus 10. Find A, the distance covered when t is equal to 2. That is simply substituting. So S is the stands for distance, so S will be equal to t raised to power 3 minus 15t squared plus 63t minus 10. Now substitute t when this one will be 2 cubed minus 15 into 2 square plus 63 into 2 minus 10. You only substitute. This one will give us 8 minus 60 plus 126 minus 10. Finya calculator directly number and you will obtain 64 meters. So the distance when t is 2 is 64 meters. Hapo ni kusubstitute 2t kwa hiyo equation, hiyo function umepewa. Number B, the distance covered during the third second. During. Wakati wote unasikia umeambiwa during the third hour, during the fourth hour. So during the third hour is from the second to the third. So we start from the second to the third. Ukiambiwa during the fourth second, tunaanza 3 na 4. Ukiambiwa during the fifth second ni from 4 to 5. I hope umeelewa hiyo. So for us to get the distance during, we will get the distance S when time is second 3 seconds, we subtract S when time is 2. Now we get S when time is 3. We just t cube minus 15t square plus 63t minus 10. Now we substitute t with 3 when time is 3. 3 cube minus 15 into 3 square plus 63 into 3 minus 10. This one is 27 minus 135 plus 189 minus 10. And this one will give us 71. But distance when time is 2 already repata t2, so it's 64. So the answer is going to be S3 minus S2, which is 71 minus 64. And the answer is going to be 7 meters. 7 meters. The time when the particle is momentarily at rest. So at rest, even you when you are at rest, umerelax, umepumzika, you are just resting. So you don't move. It means the velocity is 0. Whenever a particle is momentarily at rest, then velocity is equal to 0. That is the fact you need to know. When a particle is momentarily at rest, velocity of that particle is 0. It is not moving, therefore it has no speed. The speed is 0. So first, this equation that we have here ni distance. So to get velocity tuna differentiate mara moja. Tuna differentiate once tunapata velocity. So now let us differentiate our equation. So to differentiate this equation, we do it as ds over dt is equal, so that is velocity is equal ds over 2 differentiate. So let us differentiate. 3 raised to power 3, hii 3 inakuja mbele inakuwa 3, alafu inabakisha t. T ilikuwa raised to power 2, power 3. So 3 minus 1, the answer is 2, so tunabakisha 2. Hii t ya hapa, the second term iko na raised to power 2. So hii 2 inarudi pande hii, inakuwa 2 times negative 15 itakuwa negative 30. Alafu tunapakisha t moja. T ilikuwa raised to power 2 minus 1 itapaki t, so hapa ni 1. So hakuna cha kuandika 1 plus 63 ikuwa na t moja. T moja hapa iko na 1. 1 times 63 ni 63. 1 minus 1 ni 0, so tunapaki. Kwa hivyo this is the function of velocity. But now we have said that the velocity is 0, so we equate this one to 0. So 3t square minus 3t, 30t plus 63, the answer is 0. We can simplify this by dividing 3 all through, so we have 3t square minus 10t plus 21 equal to 0. Divided by 3 all through. This one, the product is 21, the sum is negative. That one is very easy. It is negative 7, negative 3. So t square minus 3t minus 7t plus 21, the answer is 0. We group them now into 2. So t into t minus 3 minus 7 into t minus 3, the answer is 0. So t minus 7, t minus 7, and then t minus 3. So t is equal to 7 or t is equal to 3. So the time when the particle is momentarily at rest is either when time is 3 or time is 7. The acceleration when t is equal to 5. To get acceleration, differentiate velocity. You differentiate what? Velocity. You differentiate velocity mara moja, unapata acceleration. So our velocity is 3 t square minus 30 t plus 63. So velocity A is equal to acceleration A is equal to differentiate this one. So acceleration is equal dv over dt. We differentiating the velocity. And this one now, 2 inakuja pande 2 times 3 itakuwa 6. T square minus 1, so itapaki t minus. Hapa t ni 1, itakuwa 30. Na hiyo itakuwa imeisha. So our velocity function is 6t minus 30. But we are told when t equal to 5. Sasa una substitute t kwa hii equation, so itakuwa 6 into 5 minus 30. And that is 0. The velocity or the acceleration is going to be 0 when time is equal to 5.